Hello students, my name is Professor Muhammad Asim and we are doing additional mathematics. Additional mathematics for those students who are doing Igcse which have syllabus code 0606 and for those students who are doing uh, from CIE O level which have syllabus code 4037. So both kind of students can get equal benefit from this AdMath course. As you know students, we have started chapter number 2. Name is Simultaneous Equations and Quadratics, and we finished exercise 2.1 completely, all questions, all parts, and we started exercise 2.2, finish all parts of question number 1. So, our today's target is to start question number 2, exercise 2.2. The topic for this question is completing the square. As you can see on the screen, what is completing the square? This completing the square word is not new for you. You know, uh, a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. So let's start reading of this page. Completing the square. If you expand the expression x plus d whole square and x minus d whole square, you obtain the results. X plus d whole square is equals to, by using a plus b whole square formula, the answer is x square plus 2dx plus d square. And x minus d whole square formula, by using a minus b whole square formula, x minus d whole square is equals to x square minus 2dx plus d square. So these two formulae are not new for you. What we have to do, the next line, see this, rearranging these give the following important results. So this is x square plus 2dx, this is x square plus 2dx. So if you move this d square on other side, you will get x square plus 2dx is equals to x plus d whole square minus d square. And similarly in this case, if you see this, x minus d square, if you move this d square on other side, sorry, we have to move d square, this d square on other side, we will get x square plus 2dx value is equals to x plus d whole square minus d square. Similarly, if you see this d square, if we move this d square on other side, we will get x square minus 2dx is equals to the value of x square minus 2dx we obtained x minus d whole square minus d square. This is known as completing the square. These two results are very important for question number 2 and for those questions which required to convert into completing square. So if you see carefully in both the relation, these two, you can see that x square plus 2dx is equals to x plus d whole square minus d square, and x square minus 2dx is equals to x minus d whole square minus d square. This is known as completing the square. How we can use this result? See the following example. This one. To complete the square for x square plus 8x, first we have to divide the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x in this case is 8. So first we have to divide 8 by 2. We will get 4. And then we just write x plus 4 whole square minus 4 square. And x plus 4 whole square is equals to minus 4 square is 16. So this is very easy. Now I am starting question. First I want to copy this. These two relations are very important for question number 2, exercise 2.2. So I am enlarging these two results, and now I am going towards question number 2 of exercise 2.2 directly. So this is question number 2. I am going to copy this whole question and paste on my whiteboard. This one you can see clearly. Express each of the following in the form x minus m whole square plus n. Very easy question. Question number 2, part A. Part A is x square minus 8x. So these above formulae, this one and this one. So which result we have to use? X square minus 2dx, because the sign is minus. But before we apply this formula, first we have to divide the coefficient of x by 2. That is, in this case, coefficient of x is 8. 8 upon 2. 8 upon 2 is 4. Now by using this result, x minus d whole square. So this should be our d. So x minus d, which is 4 square, minus d square. D is what? 4. 4 square. So our answer is x minus 4 square minus 4 square is 16. So directly it is converted into completing square. This is our answer. Hope you understand. Okay, now come to part B. So this is very easy question with the help of these two formulae. X square minus 10x. What is the coefficient of x? 10. First we have to divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Now the answer is x minus 5 whole square minus 5 square. I am using second result. X minus 5 square minus 5 square is 25. This is our answer. This is the answer of part B. Come to part C. Part C is x square minus 5x. Again, first we have to divide the coefficient of x, which is 5. In this case, divide by 2. The question is, we always divide by 2 the coefficient of x? Answer is yes, we always divide by 2. 5 on 2 is 2.5. This is our d. So x minus 2.5 whole square minus 2.5 square. So x minus 2.5 square minus 2.5 whole square. If you find this value 2.5 whole square from calculator, you will get 6.25. Answer is 6.25. This is our answer. Come to part D. Part D is x square minus 3x. Again, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 3, so we have to divide by 2. 3 upon 2 is 1.5. Then x minus 1.5 square minus 1.5 whole square. Okay, so x minus 1.5 square minus 1.5 square. If you find this value 1.5 square from calculator, you will get 2.25. Okay, this is our final answer. Now come to part E. Part E is x square plus 4x. So what is the coefficient of x? 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. So the answer is x plus 2 whole square. This time we are using result number 1 because the sign is plus. X plus 2 whole square minus 2 square. X plus 2 square minus 2 square is 4. This is our final answer. come to part F. Part F is x square plus 7 upon x. First we have to find 7 upon 2, which is 3.5. Then we have to write x plus 3.5 whole square minus 3.5 whole square. So x plus 3.5 whole square minus 3.5 whole square. So if you find 3.5 whole square, you will get 12.25. 12.25. This is our final answer. Now move to part G. First, I will rub these two parts because I have no more space. Okay. What is part G? Part G is x square plus 9x. Again, first we have to divide by 2. We will get 4.5. Now x plus 4.5 whole square minus 4.5 square. So our final answer is x plus 4.5 square minus 4.5 square. If you find 4.5 square from calculator, you will get 20.25. 20.25. This is our final answer. Move to last part, H. Part H is x square plus 3x. So first divide the 3 by 2. We will get 1.5. Then x plus 1.5 whole square minus 1.5 square. So x plus 1.5 square minus 1.5 square. So if you find 1.5 square from your calculator, you will get 2.25. So this is our final answer, 2.25. Okay students, so we have finished question number 2 all parts. Hope you completely understand this question. Now I am starting question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. What is question number 3? What is question number 3? Express each of the following in the form of x minus m whole square plus n. It looks same question. Question number 2 and the requirement of question number 2 and question number 3 is same. But what is the difference? You can see in question number 2, in each and every part from A to H, you can see you are seeing two terms in each part. But in question number 3, in each and every part from A to H, there are three terms. So how to tackle three terms? How to tackle two terms? You just see in question number 2. But how to tackle three terms? The same step will follow, but I want to give you one example from your book. This book is awesome. I really like this book. Really like. Look at this. Look at this line. These three lines. Wait. Completely highlight. Yes. To complete the square for 2x square. Sorry. This is not 2x square. This one. This is related to question number 3. To complete the square for x square plus 10x minus 3. So students, this time you are seeing three terms. Same steps we have to follow. We just focus x square and x. and constant remains in other side. Sorry, constant remain in the same form. Like in this question, x square plus 10x minus 3. So we have to follow same steps. We will not touch this constant. Okay. So let's start question number 3. This is question number 3. Start question number 3, part A. X square minus 8x plus 15. So we just focus on x square minus 8x. We will not consider 15. Okay. So same steps we have to follow. What is the coefficient of x? 8. 8 upon 2 is 4. Then our answer is x minus 4 whole square minus 4 whole square, and this plus 15 remains plus 15. So x minus 4 whole square minus 4 square is 16 plus 15. So x minus 4 whole square minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1. This is our final answer. Hope you understand. Come to part B. Part B is x square minus 10x minus 5. Same steps we have to follow. What is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 10. So we have to divide by 2. We will get 5. Then x minus 5 whole square minus 5 square, and this minus 5 remains minus 5. And x minus 5 whole square minus 5 square is 25 minus 5, and x minus 5 square minus 25 minus 5 is what? Minus 30. This is our final answer. Come to part C. Hope you understand. X square minus 6x plus 2. What is the coefficient of x? 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. So x minus 3 whole square minus 3 whole square, and this plus 2 remains plus 2. Okay. So x minus 3 whole square minus 3 square is what? Minus 9 plus 2. So x minus 3 whole square minus 9 plus 2 is minus 7. This is our final answer. Hope you understand. Come to part D. What is part D? X square minus 3x plus 4. What is the coefficient of x in this case? 3. So 3 upon 2 is 1.5. Therefore x minus 1.5 whole square minus 1.5 square plus 4. Now find this value of 1.5 square with the help of calculator. The answer is 2.25. So x minus 1.5 whole square minus 2.25. This plus 4 remains plus 4. X minus 1.5 whole square. So minus 2.25 plus 4 is plus 1.75. 1.75 answer. Hope you understand. Come to part E. What is part E? X square plus 6x plus 5. What is the coefficient of x? Is 6. 6 upon 2 is 3. Then x minus 3 square minus 3 square plus 5. So x minus 3 square minus 3 square is 9 plus 5. So x minus 3 square minus 9 plus 5 is minus 4. This is our answer. X minus 3 square. Sorry. Because the question is in plus form, x square plus 6. So we have to put plus sign over here. We are using this result number 1. So final answer is x plus 3 whole square minus 4. Hope you understand. Come to part F. What is part F? X square plus 6x plus 9. What is the coefficient of x over here? 6. So 6 upon 2 is 3. Then x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square plus 9. So x plus 3 whole square minus 3 square is 9 and plus 9. So x plus 3 whole square, 9 cancel by minus 9. The answer is 0. So our final answer is x plus 3 whole square plus 0, or you can just write x plus 3 whole square. Okay students, now I have no more space for remaining two parts, so I am rubbing part A and part B. So these are very easy questions. From these above two results, we have solved all parts of question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, come to part G. What is part G? X square, sorry, x square plus 4x minus 17. What is the coefficient of x? 4. 4 upon 2 is 2. Therefore, our result is x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square, and this minus 17 remains minus 17. So x plus 2 whole square minus 2 square is 4 minus 17. So x plus 2 whole square minus 17 minus 4 is 21. This is our final answer. X plus 2 whole square minus 21. See the last part? H. X square plus 5x plus 6. What is the coefficient of x? 5. So we have to divide 5 by 2. We get 2.5. Now we have to write x plus 2.5 whole square minus 2.5 whole square plus remains 6. So x plus 2.5 whole square minus 2.5 square we can find from the calculator. 6.25. 2.5 square is 6.25 plus 6. So x plus 2.5 square minus 6.25 plus 6 is minus 0.25. This is our final answer of part H. X plus 2.5 whole square minus 0.25. So this is our today's class, where we have done two questions from exercise 2.2, question number 2 and question number 3. But still some more questions in this exercise: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So there are 16 questions in this exercise. I promise you, I will do each and every question, each and every part, just I did in previous exercise. Okay, student, if you like my class, my lecture, kindly do subscribe my channel. And whenever you subscribe my channel, kindly don't forget to press the bell icon button so that when I upload my video, you will get the notification. Don't restrict my videos to yourself. Share as many as you can. Okay, students, good luck for next class.